welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sandra and welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel and you're seeing this face for the first time, it's your girl Sandra and welcome to the channel. So basically, I know you all read that title right because today we're gonna be doing like a prep for me for my graduation. So a little maintenance we have to do because there's so much more to do. Like it's currently Thursday and my graduation is tomorrow. I don't know why I decided to like leave everything last minute because there's so much things we have to do. I have to like wax, I have to do my nails, do my toenails, I have to dye my eyebrow darker. I don't know, but I just want to dye my eyebrow. I don't know. I'm probably gonna install some lashes now. I don't know what I'm finna do with my hair because I just got a big chop. So I'm probably gonna slap some wig on or leave my hair like this, who knows. But yeah. So without further ado, I'm not gonna talk too much because we're already out of time. I know my nails is gonna take forever to do. I'm gonna do my nails by myself. I'm not experienced in doing nails. I have everything you need to do your nails, but I don't know how to do my nails, so we're gonna be freestyling. I don't know if it's gonna come out good or not. I don't know why I did this to myself, but it's all good. If it doesn't come out good, we're gonna take out the nails and go like this. But basically, that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and wax first. Because I don't want to do my nails and then wax because the wax is gonna stick to the nails. I don't want that. So we're gonna go ahead and wax first, and then we're gonna do our nails, then dye our eyebrows, and then do my toenails, I guess. And then I don't know. That's basically it, no? I guess so. So that's what we're finna be doing today. My graduation outfit is already set. I have two options. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, but I'm gonna decide on that tomorrow because I can't be bothered with that now. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and change up and then we're gonna go ahead and wax.
First all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you. Yeah, know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh.
So guys, I'm done waxing. This is how she's looking like. So smooth. But I made a mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this top. Then we can go straight into doing our nails because I feel like this process is gonna take me a whole while. Since I'm not good at doing nails, I feel like I'm gonna spend my whole night doing nails. So we don't want that. So we're gonna stop yapping and then get into doing.
Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time, cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so rare with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so rare with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight, meet me outside. Outside.
Geslaagd met onderscheiding, Sandra Ason.
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. You feel alive when you don't call when you supposed to. Cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't graduate. Knowing you're at home all night. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love.